And here's another screenshot to show you guys how it looks on our end. Like on the left, you saw the earlier slide, shows all the different artifacts or categories. And then here I'm clicked on Cloud Facebook Friends. So as you can see, each one of my friends on Facebook is there. It will show you their name, which I blocked out. It will show you their tagline, which on Facebook, when you are looking at friend information, it will tell you how many mutual friends you have. So that's what the tagline is here. We'll show you the link to their Facebook accounts, and then it will show you attachments, that's their profile picture, and a bunch more information. So here you can see it gives you a preview of each person. This one happens to be my wife, but I blocked out her face. You can further go ahead and tag that person if that person's of interest, or this will help you narrow down any searches on the timeline or other pictures that you may be looking for. Here's some more previews from Facebook account, what we see. So, for example, that's profile picture or a cover photo, and it will show you information on whose photo it is, when it was posted, when it was collected, which is very helpful. The URL link in the middle, you can see that we can identify all the interactions that post had, all the comments. On the right, this is an example of private messaging. So you can see it looks almost exactly like how you would see it on your phone with the blue and gray bubbles. So it's very easy for us to analyze, and then that's how it would also export for review. So you'll be able to see it how the person saw it in their account.